Okay, so we're just we've got the program ready to go after using the file manager. So we're going to run that now. We have to press the execute button, making sure that we press that, otherwise it goes into it without doing the right settings. So F5, check that that is down nice and firm, and we can go into auto, MPG Sim and cycle start. Now that uses the hand wheel controller, so you can see as I turn that, it goes there. But if we turn off, MPG Sim is like a pause, we can turn that off and then it automatically runs. If you do have any concerns, you can always hit the MPG Sim and it pauses it. Okay, so it's doing some very fine work there with an engraving bit. And we'll let that one go and we'll come back with the result.